Hello everyone, my name is David from Lightex. Today I'm going to show you how to add filters, how to search for filters on Instagram. Maybe you want to add that on your story, on your reel. Well, there is a search bar, it's hidden somewhere, but yeah, I will guide you through this process. So let's open the Instagram app, and now there are two ways how to search for a filter. First way will be just to press on the bottom, on the plus button, and now here you can search for story, reel, or yeah, that's it. But I will recommend the second way is to swipe left, and now you will access your creation page. If you want to add a normal post, a story, or a reel, you can also do the same thing. But now, how do we add a filter on this? Let's go on a story as an example, and here are the filters available, filters pre-selected. Let's scroll all the way down to the right until you will see a magnifying glass. Let's press on this, and now here it's another magnifying glass, and we can search for an effect as an example, the 4K or fog maybe. Yeah, it's there, or rain. Yeah, that's also possible. And if you want to add a filter for something else, let's cancel this. Go again, swipe left, let's cancel it. Good. And now for reels, let's press here to expand this, and you will have effects. I will press here, and you can swipe this bar to the left to find again the magnifying glass, and let's search for another effect. And this is how you add the effect. And as an example, if you want to save it for later, I will just save it by marking that. And let's search for the blur. Let's say I like this effect. Also make sure you mark this one for future to have it saved, so you don't have to search for it. So this was the tutorial how to search for an effect or on Instagram. I really hope I helped you with this tutorial. If I helped you, don't forget to smash the like button and leave a comment down in the comment section if you have any questions. Please have a great day.